Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called Senti-Mental Surreallusion Volume 1. I'm going to learn 31 amazing new pro magic and mentalism routines. This includes 31 instructional videos. You're going to learn my new invisible deck with a regular deck routine, and you're going to learn my new Voodoo Card 3 and mentalism triple prediction, which is a powerhouse routine. You're going to learn incredible mentalism and prediction effects. You're going to learn impromptu prediction, completely impromptu mentalism. You're going to learn the magic happens in your hands, which is a Cliff Green card, A-can, any card at any number, but in the spectator's hands. You're going to learn what I call the business of A-can, which is a really incredible way to hand out your business cards. You're going to learn something I created called double future prediction, a mentalism piece. You're going to learn New Lie Detector 1 and 2. So you're going to learn magic blended with mentalism the proper way on in this course. You're going to learn a new effect I call the New Ace Detectives. A card effect I call the New Triumph Prediction, which can go with any triumph. You're going to learn the new Triple Prediction, new Double Mental Triumph. You're going to learn a double brainwave with a deck vanish, which is a variation of my mentor Alan Ackerman. You're going to learn Change of Mind, which is created by Alan Ackerman and John Cornelius. You're going to learn my new variation of any four of a kind triumph. You're going to learn book penetration and prediction, which is my variation of a Bill Goodwin and Max Maven mentalism routine. You're going to learn half a miracle, which is a borrowed bill that vanishes and ends up inside a half and half container. It's a transposition with the creamer with the cream of the half and half container. It's really incredible. You're going to learn a new voodoo bill, which is a borrowed bill and a voodoo plot. You're going to learn by touch alone, my version. It's my variation of by touch alone, created by Harlan Tarbell. You're going to learn the torn deck mystery, which is created by Ed Marlowe, and as a bonus to that, I'm going to teach you a brand new torn and restored card, which is the finale for that. You're going to learn Never Say Die, which is an effect with a die created by Ken Krenzel. You're going to learn my original Hummingbird full deck false cut. You're going to learn the Perfect Prediction, which is created by Chester Morris, the actor. You're going to learn Ultimate Match, which is a really incredible mental card effect created by Carl Fulves. You're going to learn Try This for Size, which is an incredible A-can um, impromptu A-can created by Richard Himber. You're going to learn the Psychic Skittles, which is a routine created by one of my mentors, Gary Darwin. You're going to learn my torn and restored paper balls and napkin prediction, which is an awesome mental piece, and then my weighing the aces, which is a combination of cutting the aces and a mentalism piece. So this is an absolute incredible uh, full mentalism and magic blended course. So click on the link and join and get this now.